we're starting on this DIY project of turning this studio into my dream studio. Sobrang na-inlove ako sa yoga and I'll tell you while we're doing the project. Back in high school, I was a contemporary dancer and a folk dancer kahit ayaw ng lola and tita ko. Yung lola ko kasi against yun sa pagsasayaw ko kasi nga baka yun daw ang maging trabaho ko. Pero ako, bata pa lang ako, nasa puso ko na talaga yung pagsasayaw kaya kahit walang dagdag yung baon ko, kahit na may extracurricular activities ako, go pa rin talaga ako. Pero teka lang, since we're starting to paint na, let me tell you what I use. Ito nga pala yung Esvesti Lime Wash Paint. Na-check out ko lang to sa Shopee and kayang-kaya nyo rin gawin sa bahay to. For my studio, I chose the color Liza. Pale pink ang kalalabasan neto. Anyways, back to my story. So, ayun nga, nagpo-folk dance, contemporary dance ako, and naging cheerleader din ako for quite some time. So, alam nyo naman yung mga training ng ganun, marami talagang flexibility. During the time, na-enjoy ko talaga siya, and doon na rin ako nag-umpisang rumakit-raket. We dance sa mga Rotary, sa mga events na kailangan ng folk dancer, nakatungtong din ako sa stage ng Pagcor. And so, ayan yung mga racket ko early years of my life. Mga kinikita ko naman doon, pambili ko ng mga kung ano-ano para sa sarili ko. Kasi yung mga bagay na yun, hindi ko na pwedeng hingiin sa lola ko. And alam nyo ba, pag-graduate ko ng college, because of this, I was granted the scholarship sa De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Ang course ko sana doon is multimedia, and I can only imagine kung yun talaga ang naiaral ko. Hindi ko kasi napurso yun kasi sabi ng lola ko, baka hindi namin mapanindigan yung gastos. Kahit na scholar ako, for sure, malaking gastos pa rin yun. And up until now, ayun talaga yung multo ko, nanghihinayang ako. But anyways, we're doing all this project nang nandito lang si Franco. Kaya ayan, may nangungulit na bata.
Huh?
What's that? What's that?
What happened?
What happened ba?
Ew.
Sira ulo ka, hindi naman madumi yung bahay ng kapitbahay. 1 kilograms of paint lang ang nagamit ko sa buong room namin. Nakatatlong coat na rin ako nun and sobrang bilis lang neto matuyo. And wala siyang amoy. Kaya after namin mapinturahan yung kwarto, ayan, nagpatulong ako kay daddy mag-install ng mga kurtina. Gumamit lang ako ng sheer curtains dito para makapasok pa rin yung mga natural lights, and then this one, I got this from IKEA. Going back to my story, when I was in college, 100% scholar pa din ako dun sa school na pinasukan ko, which is Olivares College. And I'm so grateful kasi I made the right decision dahil napanindigan ko siya and nakagraduate naman ako ng college. 100% academic scholar ako and also a Dean's Lister, kaya miscellaneous fees lang talaga ang binabayaran ng lola ko sa school. And during college days, nako, panay din ang racket ko niya ng dancing. Alam niyo yung mga campaign periods ng mga politicians. I remember there was one semester na kinailangan ng help ng tita ko sa tuition fee ng anak niya, and yung pang tuition fee ko dapat doon napunta, binigay ng lola ko. And so ako yung walang pang final exam. Alam mo, sali lang ako ng dance contest and kinabukasan I have 15,000 pesos, may pangbayad na ako sa school. So talagang maaga akong nasubok ng buhay. Kaya ngayon, wala talagang hindi kinakaya. Kumbaga, alam kong kaya kong gawan ng paraan kapag ginusto ko talaga. And now that I'm a mom, almost 30, and I discovered yoga, I felt like I was doing what I used to love before. With yoga, it's very challenging when it comes to flexibility, but yet it's calming and it's very graceful, and that's what I like to do talaga. And also, I'm a person who craves for challenge, kaya every time na nagpa-practice ako, gusto kong malagpasan kung ano yung kaya ko lang gawin when I started. Isa sa personality ko is I don't like being stagnant. I don't like to be in my comfort zone. I like challenge and I like to learn. And with yoga, it challenges not just my body but also my brain. Sometimes pag nakita ko sa teacher ko, parang hindi ko yan kaya, and then I will challenge myself to do it. And that mindset is also something that I use in navigating life. But just like that, my studio is almost done. Naglagay ako dito ng fake plants. I got that from IKEA circular, kaya discounted price. I also placed my yoga blocks here. Yung salamin ko, pina-custom made ko yan sa Facebook Marketplace ko lang yan nabili. And then as you can see, may dalawa akong yoga mat dito kasi magpa-practice na rin si daddy with me. I-install pa ni daddy dito yung aerial hammock ko, and then that's it. Yun lang. Bye!